Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question, and I wanted to do something so easy that you might overthink it. And that's going to be kind of the topic of today. I had a lot of people get stumped on silly, simple math questions or simple questions in general, and what happens is it's because they overthink it and they say, okay, no, it can't be that easy. And sometimes it is. And also, the easy questions are chances for you to be able to kind of use the formulas that you know so that when you have a more difficult question, you could actually more easily identify where things fit in. So let's read the question that we have here. For tax purposes, John Stevens' home is assessed at 63% to value. Okay, the home's value is 230,000. What is the assessed value? So right here what we have is we have a part over the base times the rate. And for the purposes of this question, I'm going to also identify what the base, and what the rate is. Okay, I've done this in a couple of other videos, but I want to keep reiterating this so that you get used to seeing this. This is a pie. Stu is a big guy. He loves him some pie. So watch this. When I cut a pie up, let's identify this first. The base is the entire pie. Okay? So the bigger portion, like the whole entire amount, the gross amount is always going to be the base. So what happens is this. I always identify it as the entire pie is the base. Okay? So let's call that an apple pie for argument's sake. So that's my warm apple pie. Love apple pie. Now, the part that's the slice that Stu takes, okay? So watch this. Stu takes his slice, and because Stu loves him some apple pie, he's going to cut the pie like this, okay, into thirds, okay? Because he says, you know what? I really like pie. So this slice right here, that's the part, okay? So that little section, the smaller portion of the base is our part, and the rate at which you take it at, so we would agree that that's probably 33.3%, okay? Taking 33% or one third of the pie, right? So what happens is this. That's how you would identify each one of the items. And what you do is you put your hand over your cover, what's missing, okay? And that would give you what type of equation you're going to do. So let's identify what we have here. We have a very big number right there. We would probably agree that that is the base. So we have a base. We have a rate right here because we have a percentage. Usually, and here's the thing, not always, but 99% of the time, your percentages are going to be your rates, okay? So 63%, that's your rate. So we have those two items, and we're looking for the part. We're looking for the assessed value, which is a smaller lump sum of the whole. So what we're going to do in this question, we're going to cover the part, and we know that we're going to do a base multiplied by rate problem. And here we go. 230 times 63% is going to give us 144. Sometimes you will get a question that is that easy. Do not skip using and identifying the part over the base times the rate, because that's going to help you in other questions when it gets more complicated. So guys, I hope this helped out. I hope that although it's a very simple question I threw at you today, that you'll learn something from this, and you'll learn that even the simple ones, use your formulas, use your part over the base times the rate, and you'll be good as gold. Talk to you later. And remember, if you're liking the stuff that I'm putting out, hit like, subscribe, and we'll talk soon.